guys, welcome back to Codes and Coffee. So today's going to be a little bit different of a video. Some subscribers have been curious as to wanted me to make a camping video, because I do go camping once in a while. I'm not always at the shop or fixing watches and so forth. And while camping, I like to keep everything nice and simple. Camping made easy for me is the way to go, because you have a stressful week, and what's better than relaxing camping, doing some fishing by the fire, and just do your own thing. So I'm going to show you how I pack. This is the quickest, easiest possible way to pack. Some people make lists. You can make lists if you want to. You can pack how you want to, but I'm basically going to show you how I pack. I do things a little different. Maybe some of you do it the same way I do, but we'll see. So I like to do it by part. It's the easiest way. And before I leave, I like to set everything out, look at it, make sure I'm not missing anything, and it's just easier for me. So let's get started. All right, so we'll start off with the fishing gear. Never leave home without it. I do fly fish, and I do saltwater and freshwater. And of course, if you're going to be out in there, you need plenty of bug spray. For the table, I kind of try to multitask. So I have this nice table here, which also turns into a Beirut or beer pong table. My next video, I'll set it all up, and you can take a look at that after it's set up. Nice air pump. Never know if you're going to need it. It's always good to have one. Now, sleeping quarters. I like to do it in stages. So I have my tent with the rain fly, an emergency tent if something happens, and then I have my tar mat, which I lay down first, right after I rake up all the rocks with a nice rake. So that's that. And then I usually use depending how I feel, an air mattress, or I'll use a cot, some sleeping bags, but it's kind of hot, so I won't be using the sleeping bags this time around. I have a instant gazebo, which is nice in case it rains. It looks like it's not going to rain, but you never know. I have a couple coolers for drinks and so forth, some water to cook with. Also have a couple different type of chairs. That one leans all the way back. And then I'm going to come in here. Let's see what's going on in here. Oh, okay. I do enjoy very much using these fire logs. I love them. Duraflame makes them. It's a quick starter, and it kind of lets your regular wood burn much longer. But I only have 3, so I definitely have to get more. So, you want to join me? Let's go. Alright, now firewood. I'm gonna look for some fire starter. Some firewood to start the firewood. Keep it burning with. Okay. So I typically buy the Duraflame. These are $30 for the case, and then each one is about $3.97.
Like $4.
Okay. And then there's also, there's two to choose from. And these are this is something else. A little disappointed because the other one that I typically buy is called Crackle, and it has sort of a nice crackling sound when you're burning the wood in your fire. But I think I have a couple at home, so we'll use those. Evernight, not sure what that is exactly. It's a little bit cheaper, but I'm gonna stick with what I know. If it's cheaper, I don't think that it probably might not burn as long. So these are the Duraflame. So this package brings 9. They typically burn for about 3 hours. It's a nice clean burn. So this one has 9. And then if you just want just a few hours, then you can just get the single ones here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the box. Quick little idea with my fly fishing rod and carrying case. They do have some cool carrying cases for them, but I just don't like them because you can only put one and not so many stuff. So check this out. This is what I used as a carrying case for my fly rod. Let me zip it up. Just a simple, nice rifle case. You can put all extra things in these little pockets. It's perfect. I love it. Extra backing line. I have extra hooks. I have everything's basically. This is beautiful. I love it. So, for those of you gun enthusiasts and fishing, if you haven't tried it, use your gun rifle case. You can definitely you can stick your fly rod in there and probably anything else, but I prefer my fly rod in there. All right, so to eat on, dollar store. It's the best. I enjoy it. It's quick and easy. It's cheap. It's for camping. We're not doing anything spectacular. So, actually, you know what? It is spectacular. I take that back. We're not doing anything unorthodox that requires, like, you know, dishes and so forth, but whatever. So, anyways, back to what I was saying. I get distracted. So, we got our plates, we got our cups, utensils, got our steak knives. To cook on, I do have a saute skillet. I have a nice cast iron pan. I have all my mixers and flippers, a nice popcorn or chip bowl. And don't forget the chips. Alright, so I do love my soups. We got a nice creamy chicken dumpling soup. Nice, easy to open. I got way more food than this. Okay, I'm bringing, what am I see? I'm planning on bringing, I got some hot dogs, I got some steaks, I got some burgers. Alright, so anyways, back to the soup. So I got this soup stuff, easy to open, but wait a minute. We're camping. These things love to break. Don't forget your can opener. Alright, let's push that out of there. Some of you like your ramen. Check. Some of you like mac and cheese, ramen style. Check. Some of you like chicken flavored ramen. Check. Now, here's the worst part, right? The worst part is I do enjoy bringing eggs. Get yourself some plastic bring some egg carriers with you. It'll save you a lot of time. They won't break. They won't squish on you. You won't get to your campsite saying, I want my oven, but they're all broke. So, that works. Huh. Yeah. I bet some of you thought I forgot about oh wait, birds. I'm trying to do something here, guys. Sorry about that. So you guys thought that I forgot, you know, a way to toast, my bagels, my English muffins, what have you. No, I got a camp stove toaster. My God, I'm so excited to get on with this camping. So we got that. Now, with all of these things, please don't forget your dish soap. You're gonna need the dish soap to wash all your stuff if you're gonna stay there a few days. I'm planning to be there at least a week and a half. Don't forget your toothbrush. Let's see what we got here. We got the toothpaste. Move that out of there. Oh, and for the Duraflame logs, thank you for coming with me to the local Home Depot. You do need some fire starters. You can never go wrong with fire starters. You're gonna need them. In the sleeping quarters inside of your tent, might get a little hot. And now some of you can't sleep without a, what is it? That's right, can't sleep without a fan. I have a fan. battery powered, 2 settings, nice and low, amazing, keeps the tent cool. You can buy 2, you can buy 3, you can buy 4. I'm happy with 1. Will the batteries die out? Of course they will. But, you know, I can't sleep without a fan. I know there's some of you who can't sleep without a fan either. So, got the extra batteries. You know, that way you don't wake up in the middle of the night completely hot and can't sleep because you can't hear the fan. Bring plenty of batteries with you. I approve. Yeah, that fan feels good. Battery power too. All right, so you need your tunes, you need your music. Don't forget that. You want to watch some movies? Don't forget your movies. Some laughter, some sci-fi, what have you. Smurfs. I guess so. Actually, no. Put that back. That was by accident. Guardian of the Galaxy. Some 80s. I need some 80s. Now. Yes, unfortunately, we're in a pandemic, so had to do it. I have to watch one of these. We got our charging cables for those of you who are getting a campsite with electricity or without. Then you can bring your battery packs for your phone. And for cooking, I'm going to use my good old Prometheus stove. It's great. Has 2 burners. I also have a second stove with a nice 1 burner on it. And I forgot to get fuel for this bad boy. See, this is why you got to double check, triple check before you leave. All right. Well, back to the store we go. Oh, all right. Yeah, they have them over there. Huh? Camping. The background? Yeah, I snaked you. Alright, let's try this again. And there you go.